So, Sarah,
Hi.
you've heard what we're going to do here today, right?
I've heard.
What do you think of it?
It's awesome.
Awesome. Hey,
Super
Cameron, what we're going to do today?
Sled.
Sled.
Down.
Down.
Slope.
Slope. That will be built.
Out of there.
We are going to be sledding down a slope that will.
We got ramp.
We got ramp.
And we have liftoff, people. Do you see this?
Rocket ship style.
Rocket ship style. Run into. Alright, we'll move the snowblower in case he swerves. But he could be going pretty fast at the end there. I don't know what's going to happen.
Yeah, I think
Well, you stand over here to help catch him, Ryan.
right, yeah, well, I'll be at the end to help him avoid death. Oh, and he sticks to the
Tyler, look up this way.
Do you salt your driveway?
Not back here.
I taste it.
Jamal finally made it out.
Just go, you gotta push off. So like a jump. Come on, you're taking snow with you.
Don't knock him off up there. Watch out for the driveway, it's hard.
Snow on the